Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here back with another video. Today I'm with the BMW F30. I'm going to be showing you how to change your fuses on the BMW F30 if your 12 volt sockets have gone. So I'm testing all the sockets. The two in the inside are dead, but this one's working, so that's fine. Let me unplug that. Oops. So we just test it with one of these. I know the middle ones don't work. Oops. I'm going here. My leg. This one doesn't work. We know that from trying it before. What is that? There's a seatbelt. What the hell is it in there? Oh shit. What is that? There you go. No power. I think these run while the car's off, to be honest. So yeah, we got no power there. And then the front one, definitely no power. We have need to check in the passenger if there's got one there. There's usually one in the passenger here somewhere. Let me have a look. But you check under there, I'll check under you. Oh yeah, there's one there. Found it a bit. I think it's this. Is it this? I'm not sure. Take it out. Is there any cars coming? Alright, so the next one's right there. It's got no power either. Yeah, so this one's not working. And then we test out this one in here a bit. Okay. I'll put it there. So the only one that's working is the boot one. So that one's not working either. So what we're going to do is go under the hood. I'm going to go under the hood of the car. And yeah, we should be able to, hopefully. So you need, wow. Now you want to pull your hood, so you press that twice. Okay, I'll be close the door for now. I'll get my tool kit out. So you need a 10mm socket, I think. You take over the camera a bit. Make sure I hold it like that. Yeah, exactly 10mm. So use a 10mm socket. There you go, perfect fit. So now we're twisting these to the left or right. Let me check. Not that way, so they looking this way. Turn it to the left once. Can you use chain a bit? I have to remove this actually. And actually leave it. Should be too complicated. There you go. And just leave it. Oh my god, it's on that side, isn't it? Is it? Why is mine different, bro? Might as well check my brake fluid. So if it's American car, European one's on that side. Right? What the fuck? That would have been nice, you know. Okay.
You did this in the other car as well.
What?
You did this in the other car. Did you change this?
Let me check my brake fluid actually.
Which you did this in the other car.
Oh, did
You took off the wrong side.
What's that cover? There's a cover here, but I don't know what it's for. Use that for when I find something. Okay, my hands are dirty. I'm just gonna check my brake fluid since I've never checked it.
anything in there.
I don't think there's anything in there.
So is that why your brakes is terrible?
Doesn't look like there's anything in there. That looks dry. Can you see anything? It doesn't look dark or anything, does it?
No.
Even with flash.
No.
I don't think there's anything in there.
So is that why your
That would
brakes are
explain why
terrible?
my brakes are fucking shit. Okay, I'll have to top some of that up sometime. Do you see any engine oil leaks anywhere? Don't see any oil leaks anyway. While we're at it, I'll show you where the timing chain is. Look in there. That's nice timing chain. Okay. What's the recording?
That.
Petrol. Make sure.
Yeah.
Put him more flat. Yeah, that's it. Ready? Right, so we could have just checked under there, we'd be able to see it, but not bad. Right, so we're going to do the same here, and we've got 3 here. So twist it in left direction, so I'm going to twist this round. Oops. 90 degrees, it doesn't have to be much. And that should be enough. Lift this up. There you go, got it now. You got any coolant in there? Yeah, I've got coolant. Right, so there's the, I'll put this away, run this in. Got it. Here's your fuse box, you got 4 pins you pull up here. So there's another 2 in the back here, so just hold it all 4 like this, pull up. I'll give all this shit a clean, it's dirty as fuck. Where's my hands go? Alright, so we've got quite a lot of fuses there. So I believe the second one is for the front ones. That back one is for the rear one. But because I got another 3 here, usually they don't have it. It's because I have the other parts as well. So I'm going to check all of them. Make sure, if any of them, I've only got 2 fuses anyway. But yeah, I'll show you what they are. It's the big blade ones. I'm just going to go wash my hands here. Yeah, we'll be alright here.
Pause.
Yeah, motherfucker. So there should be a tool underneath that. He's lost it or something, I don't know. So let's see if we can pull it out by hand. If not, then I'll be fucked. Oh, you must check all of them. This one's up. This one's intact, so put it back in. It's most likely the second one. So I'm just gonna check that, put that back in.
Oh.
Is that not going back in? I have to leave this out for now. Only clean areas anyway. Yes, it is there. In the box for now. We're still working on the chocolate. Check the second one. It's most likely this one here. There you go. That's intact as well. Check the next one. Don't say the. There you go. That's the brake. Can you see that? So that's what it should look like. That's what it's looking like. So the fuse has melted somewhere. So that was the third one down in it.
Yeah.
So you can use a fuse diagram, but what's the point if it's just there? So we're gonna change this one out. I've got spare anyway. Let me get these 2. These 2 are good anyway. Should have checked those as well. I'm here.
How are you going to put it
This
back
one
in?
works anyway. Just push it back in. See if I can put it. Oh, there you go. So this one's the boot one. Oh no, that's gone as well.
But why does the boot one work?
So that's not the boot one then. That's the
Front one?
that'll be one of the front ones as well. So this one's out and the one on that side, innit? Both sides, yeah. We've got 2 bad fuses. These are 2 good ones. Let me get my replacement ones out. So you make sure you use 20 amps. Otherwise you're gonna blow. It'll be fire hazard. Make sure you don't get any lower or higher. replacement. My replacement one, they came in handy. I bought these for the Golf, but never used them. Okay, so this is the first one in everything. Okay, so they just go in any direction. Doesn't really matter. We'll test the inside. Put this back in. Come on, you bastard. There you go. That's 2 working ones. Make sure you put 20 amp in, otherwise you'll blow something. It'll most likely cause a fire. Okay, last one's in. Alright guys, so before I put it back together, I'll go test it one of it. So, let me test it. Alright, I believe. There you go. Working there. Oh wait, that one's working again. So I'm really happy. It was just a fuse and nothing electrical. Let me check the back one. So now my brother's going to be very happy. There you go. Yep, all 4 fuses working now. And just to double check, I'm going to double check the back one. Oh wait, the passenger side was out, wasn't it? Check the passenger side as well. Okay, just check this one here. Yep, that's still working. Okay, so it's just them 2 fuses. And the one under here, around the front here somewhere, if I can feel it. There it is. So this one wasn't working either. We just changed out 2 fuses. Come on, there you go. Lights come on, so you know it's working. There you go, 12 volts. Okay, so the only thing I don't like is they powered on all the time, so it might drain your battery. Yeah, I got all the 12 volts working now. I've set up my dash cams, everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. To put it back, should we do how to put it back in? Yeah, might as well. I'll show you how to put it all back together. Let me just give it a good clean. Okay. Yeah. So this goes in here. You don't actually need to move this rubber. So you want to make sure it lines up there. Push it in place. Push it in place underneath there. Fucking tree in there as well. There you go. Come on, Austin. Why is this side so hard compared to this side? There you go. Okay, now bring it down. And line this up. You see this shoving places lined up there. Some of this rubber's been fucked in. Someone messed with this very badly. Donkey. My hands are dirty again. All you gotta do now is tighten these the opposite way. I think this way. Did that turn? That's not turning. Did that turn? Oh, that's floating. No, that's floating. That's not in place, that means. So, just wiggle this about. Oops. It's that corner there, fucking dog shit. I'll do this one. A bit fiddly, I want to get it. There you go. That's so easy. I think that's the best we're gonna get. It's not touching anything now. So yeah, it's well off. Needs to go further to the left. No. There. What's up? Break the plastic. It's hard to get out, isn't it? It's got some donkeys messed with it before. I think that might be okay. Hopefully. No, it's quite off.
Just push it.
Huh? Should just leave it floating.
No.
It's not hit that.
Yeah.
Alright guys, yeah, just put it back together. Ours is a bit off, so we're gonna have to figure this out. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.